Lesson 42. Hungry. Are you hungry at the moment?
No, I'm not hungry at the moment.
Are there a lot of hungry people in some parts of the world today?
Yes, there are a lot of hungry people in some parts of the world today.
Fact, geography, history, historical, mathematical. Tell me a geographical fact.
Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world.
Tell me a historical fact.
The Second World War began in 1939.
Tell me a mathematical fact.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Get. The verb get has 11 different meanings, and we use it a lot because it's very short and easy. 5 of the meanings are as follows. 1. Become. 2. Earn. 3. Reach. 4. Arrive. 5. Buy. Doctor. What are 5 of the meanings of the verb get?
5 of the meanings of the verb get are become, earn, reach, arrive, and buy.
When you get hungry, what do you do?
When I become hungry, I eat.
About how much does a doctor get a month?
A doctor earns about 10 million lira a month.
Can you get that book without standing up?
No, I can't reach that book without standing up.
What time do you generally get home after each lesson?
I generally arrive home at about 11:30 after each lesson.
Can I get clothes from a cigarette shop?
No, you can't buy clothes from a cigarette shop.
Dream. Garden. Refuse. Separate. Crime. There was. There were. Was there a picture on that wall 3 lessons ago?
Yes, there was a picture on that wall 3 lessons ago.
Were there any books on the table last lesson?
Yes, there were some books on the table last lesson.
Was there a chair in that corner during the last lesson?
No, there wasn't a chair in that corner during the last lesson.
Were there any chairs on the table last lesson?
No, there weren't any chairs on the table last lesson.
Die. President. What's the opposite of the verb to live?
The opposite of the verb to live is to die.
Do most people prefer to die young?
No, most people don't prefer to die young, but they prefer to die old.
When did President Kennedy die?
President Kennedy died in 1963.
Strong, weak, physical. Is whiskey a weak drink?
No, whiskey isn't a weak drink, but it's a strong drink.
Are young boys generally physically stronger than men?
No, young boys aren't generally physically stronger than men, but they're generally physically weaker than men.
Do you speak English with a strong French accent?
No, I don't speak English with a strong French accent, but I speak it with a strong Italian accent, or with my teacher's accent.
Soldier. Make money. Does a soldier make a lot of money these days?
No, a soldier doesn't make a lot of money these days.
Build. Is it cheap to build a large house in the country?
No, it isn't cheap to build a large house in the country, but it's expensive.
Fill. Do you fill your stomach completely when you eat?
Yes, I fill my stomach completely when I eat. Or, no, I don't fill my stomach completely when I eat.
Contain. About how many pages does this book contain?
This book contains about 300 pages.
Art. Are you very good at art?
Yes, I'm very good at art. Or, no, I'm not very good at art.
Army. Which country do you think has the largest army in the world today?
I think China has the largest army in the world today.